Welcome to our podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we uncover the eerie truth behind January 19th, 2038, a digital countdown similar to Y2K, when computers could jump 137 years back in time, risking chaos if left unchecked. Humans have another Y2K on their hands, and this time, the problem seems to be bigger than the millennium bug. It has been named the year 2038 problem because this is when it would occur. Scientists have 13 years to figure out the solution, although not a lot of people are talking about it. What is the year 2038 problem? This one is more complicated and technical than Y2K. Computers across the world would be unable to represent times after 03:14:07 UTC on 19th of January 2038. This is because of a time computing problem, that is, how some computers represent time. The issue would arise specifically with computers that use a 32-bit signed integer to store the number of seconds. Such systems use Unix time, which is the number of seconds that have passed since the beginning of the Unix epoch on January 1st, 1970. They can represent a maximum positive value of 2,147,483,647. When one more digit is added to this number, it turns into a negative number. This is what would happen after the above-mentioned date and time. A second after 03:14:07 UTC on 19th of January 2038, the systems will start malfunctioning, and the current time will be interpreted to exist in 1901 and not 2038. This will trigger things to go haphazardly. Data will be corrupted, systems will crash, programs will malfunction, basically hitting all areas where the Unix time systems are in use. Scientists have known about the year 2038 problem since 2006. However, there is still no one solution in place. The one proposed is about shifting 32-bit time systems to 64-bit time representations. Some systems have already made the move, while several older ones are still due for a shift. Paul Budde, the CEO of independent consultancy company Paul Budde Consulting, told Independent in 2022 that switching to 64-bit is the best bet. With 64 bits, there is more than enough room to store time values far past the foreseeable future, even if high-resolution time values are used, he said. In the year 1999, most computers used 2 digits to represent the year. The year 1998 was only written as 98. Experts feared that when the year changed to 2000, the computers would take it to mean 1900. This could trigger problems in various areas: government services, transportation systems, power grids, hospitals, and other places. A massive operation was launched to fix the problem. Software and hardware were updated to ensure the computers recognized 2000 as the new year and not go back 100 years. It was a huge problem being discussed everywhere at the time. However, barring a few minor glitches, things went on smoothly. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.